Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit, back with another Starline Immobiliser on this 2021 plate E53. So a thief gets your key, goes to start the vehicle up. It's going to start and cut out. So for the customer, they can either put their Bluetooth phone on, so we turn the Bluetooth on, hop in the vehicle, start it up, hear a melody, the vehicle doesn't stall and they're able to drive away. Obviously if their phone goes flat, they're still going to want to start the vehicle, so we turn the Bluetooth off. They can go through a push sequence that they choose on the vehicle. So the way they do that, ignition on with their foot off the brake, go through the push sequence that they choose. We've left it nice and simple at 1, 2, 3. Hear our melody. Now we can start the vehicle and drive it. If they want to take it for a service, take it back to Mercedes, they can put it into service mode. So they don't need to worry about it with a simple press and hold in the app, or they can do it through the buttons. We've got loads of videos on how to do that. But basically this is the Starline Pro. Protects against the key cloning relay attack that's going on at the minute.